All right, we're back at Wirecrafters with another lean improvement idea. You may remember from one of our previous videos where we talked about shadow boards, where we introduced you to 10p wood and the 8 cents of waste. So we had shadow boards in place, they were working okay, but we still had a couple gaps. So the team got together and figured out how can we control our tools better. Because at the end of the day, if you're missing a tool, there's a lot of things that can go wrong from the 8 cents of waste. You could be waiting to get a new tool made. You can make defects because you don't have the tools you need to make the product properly. So what we've got here is a shadow board, and they took and did a cutout of every part that goes up here. They got hooks on them, that way they can hang them, and they got a picture of what the shadow board should look like. Any shadow board that's missing an item, we color that in yellow if it's not needed, otherwise everything's on here is needed. So now at the beginning of the day, the first thing the welder will do is he'll come in and he'll say, are all my tools here? He has a checklist he has to check off. Yes, my tools are here. At the end of the day, he has to do the same thing. Are all my tools here? Yes, all my tools are present. That way we know that first shift leaves it for third and third leaves it for first. A work leader comes through once a day, they pull those checklists and they verify parts. The reason I know this works, right here we're missing a tool. I got an email this morning stating that booth number 1 is missing a hammer. The hammer broke. The tip of the hammer cracked off. So that tells me that the guys are following the process. They're actually looking for tools, and we're making sure we keep our tools in nice orderly condition and really care about 5S.